Question number 2. For which of the following values of a does the limit as x approaches a f of x is equal to 3? Okay, answer choice A, we have -2. If a is -2, okay, what's the limit? As x approaches -2 from left hand side, that's 1, right? From right hand side, it also approaches 1. So limit value is equal to 1, not 3, right? So A is not the answer. Okay, B, we have -1. So -1. As x approaches -1 from left hand side, it approaches 0. From right hand side, it approaches 3, right? The left hand limit and the right hand limit, they're different. In this case, limit does not exist. Not equal to 3, right? So B is not the answer. C, we have 0. So if we have 0 here, okay, let's check the limit value. As x approaches 0 from left hand side, that approaches 2. From right hand side, it also approaches 2, right? So the limit value is equal to, not 3. Okay, D, we have 1. If x approaches 1 from left hand side, 1 from left hand side, that approaches 3. From right hand side, that also approaches 3, right? So limit as x approaches 1 f of x is equal to 3. So the answer has to be D.